my name is Candace. I'm one of the owners here at Lynn Liana. We started our business 4 years ago in our garage, and since then we have grown to 2 buildings and 30 staff, and we create our hand-poured cheese boards and sell them at over 1,500 stores across the world. Some of our stores include Dubai, Venezuela, Panama, and across the US and Canada. And we have branched into Europe, and we're super excited about that. So this is our Lazy Susan. It's 16 inches. Every piece is hand poured in Manitoba, Canada. This is made out of acacia, and we take the eco-friendly resin and pour it into the tray, and then the effect is done with the heat that creates this beautiful ocean-like waves of cells on the Lazy Susan. So it makes a great addition to any countertop, any dining room table, and people just absolutely love it. This is our large cheese board. It is 10 inches wide and 20 inches long. It comes with the resin accent on the handle, and it serves about 10 people if you're having them for appetizers and you're using this board on your dining room table. It's a beautiful piece to do a charcuterie on when you're having friends over. They will definitely be commenting about your style and how fancy your food looks. This is our round bamboo tray. We pour the resin into the middle of the tray and design it by hand. Each one's going to be unique, and it just gives a beautiful finish that you can put on your countertop. People just absolutely love them. Sometimes hang on their wall. They will put on their island in their living room, or they'll use it for serving, bringing out drinks and bringing out appetizers for guests. And it comes in all the different colors that we feature. This is our black, white, gold, which is one of our top selling colors. People just absolutely love it. It's really a statement piece for your home. And if you're interested in learning more about us, we are at lynliana.com. And if you'd like to partner with us, you can email us at sales@lynliana.com.